Come test drive the 2015 Accent. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find trip computer, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, cargo area light, trip odometer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.